Babcock Wanson was born from the union between the French company Babcock & Wilcox and the Wanson Group. Both are specialists in industrial boilers. It has been an integral member of the CNIM Group since 1996. Babcock Wanson has become the European leader in steam boilers and has no less than 8 subsidiaries throughout the world, including 3 production plants and 1 R&D site. It has 320 employees through a network of 5 agencies throughout the French territory. Babcock Wanson offers expertise to manufacturers in the following sectors: steam boilers, hot water, superheated water boiler, thermal fluid heaters, dual fuel burners, water treatment, process and space air heaters, thermal oxidizers. Babcock Wanson also offers a wide range of services addressing industrial requirements: after-sales service contracts, remote monitoring, refurbishment and upgrades, boiler room audit, mobile boiler house rental. Babcock Wanson is the European leader in this last activity, with a growing number of products and an excellent customer services sector. How is Babcock Wanson going to manage the growing demand for rental and hire? As soon as a customer request is received, a team of specialists take charge of the request, identifying the technical requirements, checking availability of the required equipment, and issuing a technical and commercial proposal. Upon receiving the go-ahead from the client, it's a race against the clock, with the primary aim to deliver the equipment within a matter of hours, after having prepared the equipment and accessories required for the correct functioning of the assembly. Thorough workshop tests help reduce on-site commissioning time to a strict minimum. In particular, these include a visual examination and inspection of the core of the boiler and its fire tube bundle, thorough testing of all electrical and automated components, a sequential test of the safety chain assembly, a checklist of off-the-shelf equipment and replacement parts provided. The boiler is then prepared before being dispatched to the destination site. Oversized items are disassembled and packed, all required documentation is drafted and completed as required, and a final survey in the form of a photographic file is produced before shipping. The list of equipment and accessories to be provided comes complete with a parts list of all items shipped: flexibles, meters, e-manage modem, fuel oil tank, chimney. The boiler is then ready for shipping. Loading is done either by the manufacturing plant's lifting platform or by articulated crane loading. Delivery in mainland France takes between 12 and 48 hours, depending on distance and type of oversized load transportation. Upon delivery, the assembly is unloaded and positioned. The equipment is assembled and the power supply is connected to the client system. Electrical supply, water inlet connection, fuel supply, drain and blowdown, steam outlet. Once all the required safety tests have been performed and the client's water quality has been checked, the boiler is ready for operation. Flue gas emissions are measured and adjusted to comply with the current standards of regulation and environmental constraints applicable to the location. The steam valve is then opened to supply steam at a temperature and pressure as required by the customer's process. Babcock Wanson's activities do not end here. The technician will make regular on-site visits to perform a series of checks and maintenance operations, consultation of the history of faults and downtime, checking safety devices, checking combustion, periodical replacement of parts subject to wear and tear, updating the service manual. When the rental period comes to an end, a regional technician makes an on-site visit and gives an assessment of on-site interventions. After opening all the manholes and handholds, an end-of-rental period survey will be performed. The client is provided with a receipt for equipment condition, which includes all this information and a photographic file before the boiler is loaded on the truck. Once the boiler is returned from the plant, it will be inspected again, descaled if necessary, revised in accordance with the preventative maintenance plan, and all supplementary data will be provided on the receipt for equipment condition. A control organisation will come and verify this new inspection before restocking the equipment until a new request for rental. Customer satisfaction is at the heart of Babcock Wanson's concerns. The ability to react quickly and depth of knowledge in steam systems are essential measures of confidence.